Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E20 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open the camera settings. Now at the first place we have photo size option, so let's pick it to manage aspect ratio connected with resolution. We are in 3 and 4. This is connected with 13 megapixels resolution, so it is automatically adjusted to it. Let's move to 1 and 1, and the resolution has changed to 6 megapixels. When we move back to the camera preview, we can see that the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to right corner settings to photo size, and we can pick also 9 and 16 with resolution 10 megapixels. And in the preview, now we have longer size of the picture, so you can pick here whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4 original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.